Connecting the device to an air source. The air pressure must be at least 8 bar. Adjust the pressure according to the size of the tire. Adjust to the width of the tire. Loosen both sides of the tire with the tire presser. Do not loosen the side of the tire that meets the air nozzle. Loosen the other side of the tire with the tire presser. Place the loose tire on the tire lifter. Lift the tire to the level of the console with the lifting device. Align the swing pin on the operating panel with any screw hole in the tire. Locking of the tire with the cone, locking screw, and quick nut on the operating panel. Position the tire pressure wheel near the rim, about 3 to 5 millimeters from the rim, and lock the handle. Operate the auxiliary arm lift switch to move the tire press roller downward. Rotate the dial and apply lubricant to the rim of the tire. Depress the turntable and apply lubricant to the tire with a brush. Place the demounting head in the working position and lock it with the locking lever. Push the tire down about 100 millimeters. Flip the demounting head flip switch, and the demounting head hook will flip down. Toggle the auxiliary arm lift switch to raise the auxiliary tire roller. Turn the turntable so that the demounting head enters the inside of the tire. Press down on the opposite side of the demounting head with the auxiliary presser. Hook the demounting head onto the tire. Remove the tire press assist arm. Insert a plastic pry bar under the tire flange where the removal head hooks up. Turn the dial clockwise. Retract the demounting head. Flip the press roller over. Adjust the press roller position and place it on the bottom edge of the tire. Lift the roller to separate the tire from the rim. Turn the turntable to remove the tire. Mount the tire and brush lubricant on both sides of the tire. Tilt the column forward by depressing the column tilt foot pedal. Position the rim over the end of the demounting head while keeping the tire at the bottom of the demounting head hooks. Rotate the turntable to mount the tire. Place the top tire flange over the end of the demounting head. Press the tire down to the second turn of the rim using the pressure wheel and the assisted removal arm. Push down on the turntable pedal and let the turntable rotate clockwise so that the tire can be easily mounted on the rim. Inflate the tire after mounting. Remove the cone, the locking screw, and the quick nut. Remove the tire using the tire lifter.